If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Hey everyone, have you ever filled out a form on your WordPress site, clicked Submit, and then saw this frustrating error? Your submission failed due to a server error? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and in most cases, it's an easy fix. Today, I'll show you why this happens and how to solve it in less than a minute. Most WordPress forms, whether it's Contact Form 7, WPForms, or Elementor forms, require a valid domain email, like info@yourdomain.com, in the From field. If this field is blank, misspelled, or uses a generic email, like Gmail, your form won't send and may trigger a server error. That's it. If your form still isn't sending, check your SMTP settings. But 90% of the time, this simple fix solves the issue. Hope this helped. If you found this useful, smash the like button, subscribe for more WordPress fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. See you later, alligator.